Oh, hi, our users. Yeah, in this video, I want to introduce you to a pretty cool tool in R, which is called back-to-back histograms. It's good for comparing distributions of a random variable in two groups. So potentially it's useful for something like you want to compare baseline characteristics of the treatment versus control group in a randomized control trial. Okay. And for this, you need the R library HMISC. So let me load that and set a random seed, create a data set. So it's a 200 sample size. I got a group 0, group 1. So it's maybe 1 is a treatment, 0 is control. And I want to generate two continuous variables, x1, x2. And they have similar distributions in the two groups. And then I want to generate x3 with a different distribution in the two groups. And then also x4 with different distributions in the two groups. Okay. And then I put all this together into a data frame. So here is the R codes for single back-to-back histogram. So we choose x1 as the example. So first we split the data into x1 underscore split. I use the split function. So you split the original data of the x1 in the data frame and according to the group variable in the data frame. Okay. And after that, you want to use the histbackback. That's the main function. And you input x1 underscore split. Probability equal to true. Main equal to back-to-back histogram x1. And x labels the density. Okay. So you can do that. And it automatically generate, you see on the right hand side, is the back-to-back histogram. So it's really the two distributions kind of plotted against the same x-axis. So it shows a very clear visual for you to see the distributions in the two groups. We can do some decoration. For example, we can use this bar plot. You have the out one at the left and out one at the right. You want to color them as sky blue or I think what's this? Salmon. Okay. So that's now that look like that. Okay. All right. And you can actually do this back-to-back histogram for all the variables in the data set and then put them together on the panel plot. Okay, so here let's split the screen into 2 by 2. And then we just do this for all the variables, x1, x2, x3, and x4. And then we restore the screen. So you can see on the right hand side the back-to-back histograms of x1, x2, x3, x4. You can the first two they show some pretty similar distributions, and x3 you see difference in the means, and x4 you see the differences in standard deviations. Okay, so this is a pretty cool way to visualize the comparisons of probability distributions of a variable in two groups. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.